Hey guys, it's MC Fix It. I got another Lizottl box by OTB Discs. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got inside. So this is the special Lizottl package. So I'm going to go ahead and get the first disc out. Ooh, that thing is pretty. Look at the blue rim on that. 177. So that is the OG Lizottl. It's a hex that glows. The next disc is, I think that's a watt if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that is a glow watt. I actually don't have one of these and I've actually never thrown it. So this one will probably get tested out sometime this week. The next disc, oh my goodness gracious. That is the tempo with the variant coloration there. Let me show you what a normal one looks like. So this one's been thrown a few times. So that is the variant. That thing is really sweet. The next disc is the OTB Open Trance. That's a really cool coloration too. And the last disc is an Ion. That's pretty cool. 174 Ion. So we have the Ion, we have the Trance, we have the Variant Tempo, and it looks like there's even some metal flake in that one. Some of them did have that, and this one does too a little bit. So this is the one I already owned. Some of them didn't though. I have one that's just completely clear. We have the Watt and Lizottl. One thing I always like to do with MVP disc is you got to use a black light. So we're going to go ahead and turn out the lights. So we'll go ahead and put the light on and see what glows and doesn't glow. So that's a green glow Lizottl OG, a green glow Watt. This is not glow, but it does allow you to use a black light to reflect the color. That's pretty cool. I really like that actually. This one has a little bit of that, but not very much. Mostly just the outer rim. Other than this one does not have any at all. So again, you can see the different colorations that it has. Really cool box here. So overall, this is just a really great set of disc right here. I'm not certain if they have any of these left, but I will put a link down in the description of where I got this. And hopefully, if you're interested, you can pick one up if they still have them available. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind, give this video a thumbs up. Put a comment down in the comment section below. And also, right here, make sure to subscribe. That really does help me grow this channel and allows me to make more content just like this, plus lots of other things if you're interested. I do a lot of repairs and auto mechanic work, and so would love for you to join my channel.